let's open some of these little lucky lunch boxes, which I found on eBay and I thought that they looked kind of fun, so I got them. I've not seen them before. I don't know if they're I think that they must be like an older toy that you can't get anymore, because I've not really seen much online about them, but they're food themed, so I thought I'd get 3 and see how we go. So they're international food. They have like I think 4 or 5 items in each one, and there's 50 items to collect. So let's see what we've got in our first one. Okay, so it opens like a little lunchbox, which I love. And then we've got the tissue paper at the top. And then I'm guessing these are the items, which are like plastic wrapped. So we'll open those in a minute. Oh, and there's a collector's list. You guys know I love me a list. So let's have a little look at this. So you've got multiple lunch boxes. You've got foodie friends. What else have we got? Then we've got more on the back and stickers. Okay, so you get a sticker in there as well. So let's have a look at the items and see what we've got. Okay, this first one is... what's this? Oh, it's like a little sushi roll. How cute is that? That's so sweet. And it's all squidgy as well. I think there's something inside. Oh, this is item number 2 inside item number 1. Okay, so what have we got? This is a little crab. How sweet. So we've got sushi roll and a crab. Those are our first 2 items. And then what have we got in here? Let's have a look. Oh, this is like a berry juice box. Love that. Looks really delicious and like something I drink. And there's a little sticker inside. So the stickers are a little bit small. That's a little bit disappointing that counts as one of the items, but I kind of like them. What do you guys think? Do you want to see me do some more?